Hey guys, welcome back to Shore Moves. Today we are going to be making squishies out of cling film and just colours, honestly. So it's one way to make it and it's actually quite good. So I got kicked out of my dining room because my dad was making dinner and I kind of had to restart the video. So I was already halfway through the video, so I'm just going to redo it for you guys, and that's just me being honest. So you're going to get your cling film and you're going to get out quite a big piece, yeah? Quite a big piece. And you're going to keep on doing that. And you're going to keep on adding it onto these layers to make a bigger and bigger layer, yeah? Doesn't have to be the same size, mine are all different sizes. I'm going to be making a banana squishy. If you want to do it differently, you can, or making an apple squishy. Maybe I'll do another video on how to make an apple version of it. So you're going to keep on doing that, and I'm going to pause the video until you've done that about 15 times. You can do more, you can do less. Depends on how big you want to do your banana. So I'm going to pause it. So we are back after doing 10 layers because I had already started in my first video already. So look how thick she is. Like, look at that. So at this point you can choose whether you would like your banana to be upright, like you can fold it this way to make it longer, but yeah, or you can do it this way, or you can just redo the video and do it both ways. But I think for my banana I'm going to go folding it down that way. So you're just going to fold it. Oh, almost forgot to put this piece in it. And you're going to want it to be quite thick to get that banana shape. Oh, it's actually so good. If you can just like feel it. So nice. I'm going to show you the ASMR on camera. Okay, so then you're just going to repeat the step and do 10 more. Okay, so we're back after doing 10 more layers. It should look a little something like this. And don't forget about your other one that right now looks like a plastic bag that got scrambled up. But anyways, you obviously are going to need to pause the video because I paused it, so you're obviously going to need to do that. So you're going to take your middle one, put it in the middle of the piece. You're going to start rolling it up, okay? Oh. Now you're going to do this step one more time. I'm going to break out into song here. One more time. Do, 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 do. Anyone know that song? One more time. Yeah. So put this bit to the side. I'm about to pause the video. Do 10 more of these and then we'll be back. Okay, we're back. I almost died from these pointy thingies here, the caution thing, because I fell on it. So yeah. So got your other piece, and this one didn't go as well as the first two. But again, you're going to put this little guy middle, and you're going to roll it. Then it meets again. I'll show you here. You should have quite a big chunk now. So here is a bit of the important part. You're going to take the edges. You're going to shape them like the banana ends. Yep. I know it won't look like a banana right now, but trust me, it will. You can bend it, whatever you like. You're going to get one long piece of the cling film, and it's going to be really long. Okay? Then you can break it. It's not working. Okay? So there you can see I've got this really long piece on my bed. Now you're going to take it and you're going to fold it in half. fold it in half one more time. And you're going to get your yellow or green or however you would like to paint, not paint, but you know what I mean, colour your banana. Here's my green. I've got the Crawford one. They're really good. They come in a set. And this is my yellow Crawford one. It's a 35. You can see. They're really nice. So this is the bit that you're going to colour it, and then afterwards you're going to put it over it, and that's going to show the colour. So I'm just going to put a towel on my bed so I don't get like anything stained. Because, yeah, I mean, after all, I did not plan on doing this video on my bed. Okay, so we've got the towel down. Now let's get to colouring. So I probably just recommend like doing the edges, or like this bit green, bit here, that bit like green, and then do the same on the other side, because after all it is a banana. And I will be back once I have finished the green. Okay, so I have just finished the green, and this is where it starts to look like a banana. See, when you're going to wrap it around, you're going to see that, and then you're going to pinch the ends. And now I'm going to move on to the yellow. So we'll just do the yellow for the rest here. And I'll be back after the yellow is done. And remember to always pause the video, because obviously you're not going to be able to do it as fast as I'm doing it. It's just because I'm pausing the video. Okay, so I have just finished the yellow. It should look something like this. My face is yellow now. Okay. Now you're going to apply it like this. I'm going to move the towel because it was not comfortable to sit on. Okay. Get your big chunk of banana, I guess. And you're going to put it around this way. So you could try doing it like this if your banana's shorter, but then your edges wouldn't be accurate. So put it on like that. Put it up. Ah! We all make mistakes. Okay. And that is your banana. So you can squeeze the edges now. And that's your homemade banana squishy. I'm sorry, but no, like, no, that is actually so satisfying. I have got a jumbo butter squishy, which feels nice, but this texture is, my god, the squishy comparison, it's like, this is a bit more like soft, but it's not bad for a homemade squishy. It's quite good, if I do say so myself. And that is the end of our video, and I didn't say in the beginning because I couldn't wait to tell you that we were making banana. I feel like a minion right now. Please like and subscribe if this worked for you and if you enjoyed your squishy. And I am going to give you 5 seconds to do that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Thank you so much for listening. And is it just me, or when you do your threes like this, do your fingers separate? Or not separate, but like, feels weird. I just do a 3 like that. I don't know why I did it like that. And thank you. This is a 10-minute tutorial on how to make your own banana squishy. Thank you so much for listening. Goodbye.